Okay, so today we're gonna make Asam Prawn. This is a Nyonya dish that is very simple, using only these 5 ingredients. So here is 2 tablespoons of Asam Jawa extract mixed with 4 tablespoons of water. Here is 1 teaspoon of salt, and here is 2 tablespoons of sugar. And here are some chopped garlic, and you'll only need about 2 teaspoons of it to stir fry the prawn later on. And here we have about 500 grams to 600 grams of prawns to be stir fried. But before that, we need to marinate them with this Asam Jawa extract and salt. Okay, so here is the prawns that has been marinated with the Asam Jawa extract and the salt. So you can let it marinate for about 15 to 30 minutes before starting to fry them. Okay, so now we are heating up about 2 tablespoons of oil. Make sure it is smoking hot before you include the 2 teaspoons of garlic. Okay, so once you put in your garlic, you can now put in your prawns. After this, you will have to leave your prawn to sear on each side for about 1 to 2 minutes until they are slightly charred. Now once your prawn has turned slightly red on the other side, you can flip them over. At this point, you can include your sugar and the remaining Asam Jawa juice. Now you just let it simmer for about 5 minutes before you turn the stove off. Okay, so here is our Asam prawn that has already been cooked. So we just garnish them with some chopped corianders. There you go.